cardio.
Yeah.
That's strength and cardio. Some goober's got 30s for his man makers. Welcome to Workouts at Home, where we show you how to get in shape
at home.
That's the way it goes. Today is part of our How to Build Muscle series. This is a several-part series that we've put together for you. If you want the full package, if you want to see the whole calendar, you go over to Patreon and you can get the whole calendar put together. It's all 10-minute workouts, and then those are put together in a kind of curated in such a way that you can use them as a full couple-week workout plan. And then, of course, you can rinse and repeat that over and over as much as you want. And so today is all about
HIIT cardio.
HIIT cardio.
With weight building.
Yeah, do you ever
bodybuilding.
think about muscle building with HIIT cardio?
Not usually.
Not usually, but guess what? It's definitely part of it. Today we're going to show you how to do HIIT cardio, but all of it's going to be resisted training. It's all going to be weighted and resisted to show you what it can be like to build muscle but still be doing cardio, because you need both if you're gonna work out.
In other words, it's going to be a painful workout.
Yeah, it's cardio.
Yeah.
That's strength and cardio.
Oh, I thought it was scary cardio.
Scary cardio?
Yeah. Like where you're scared to do it because it's going to be so intense.
Oh. It's not scary. Well, I mean, maybe you're scared. Okay, here's what we're doing. Repel squats. So get you a band and put it on an upper door anchor, okay? Even cheap bands come with a door anchor, so put them on an upper door anchor. And repel squats, you're going to grab a hold of your band, put it behind your back. You're going to jump back and forth between the doors. Squat down, jump back, squat down, jump forward. Squat and back and squat forward and back and forth you're going to go. That's 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. Then kettlebell swings. Sarah's got a weight for us. So kettlebell swings, you're going to drop down. So obviously you know how to swing up. We're going just about to the forehead with your kettlebell swings, and don't fall over.
Right. Make sure your feet are firmly planted in the floor, not on your mat.
All right. Then we're going to go snatches on the right-hand side. We're going to do dumbbell snatches, and these are going to be straight up. There you go, exactly. So we're not going to go swing out with our snatches, but we're going to snatch and make a straight line up. We'll walk you through that as we get there. Then we're going to do man makers. That's going to be a burpee, and then you're going to go down to stand up, down for a burpee. You grab your weight, push up, and you're going to pull with the left, pull with the right, and then you're going to push up. And then you're going to pull your feet back in and jump up. And if you really want to be a man, hold on to your weights the whole time.
I'm not a man.
Okay. Then you're going to go snatch left. I said that wrong. We're going to go snatch right first and then snatch left, but it's all the same. So one arm snatch the first time, second arm the second time. That's 5 exercises, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off, 10 minutes of pure power. Okay, and all to be done in your living room. Yep. Are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, somebody's got to answer me because, well, you're the only other one in the room, so
right.
It's really you who have to answer. Here we go, hit the timer.
All right.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Grab my band for repel squats.
Go.
Put my hands like they're in my back pockets. In and out.
The further you jump, the harder it is.
Oh.
You got to keep going. You got to get your intensity up.
Gotta get my rhythm down.
You got 20 more seconds. Come on, dig deep. You can do it.
Make sure you got your knees back behind your toes. You still want good form as you do this.
It's hard with the
push off of your toes. Yeah.
Oh, my quads are burning.
Who thought about doing 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off? I'm just glad to get a break. All right.
Ow.
Walk that off and grab your kettlebell for kettlebell swings.
Man, oh man, that's burning. You got 13 seconds.
You can also use a weight. Hold it like this and swing it like that for kettlebell swings.
Yeah, you could use a dumbbell for kettlebell swing. It doesn't have to be a kettlebell. Just wait. Here we go.
That's what I'm using, is just a round weight. It's got a handle in it.
Keep your back up.
Chin up.
Try not to bend over too much. Obviously, you're going to bend a little bit, but the straighter you keep your back upright.
10 seconds left. Ooh.
One more.
One. All right. We got kettlebell snatches.
Just snatches. We're going
We
to
have
dumbbell.
snatches. I can't do kettlebell snatches.
Okay.
We do left side first.
Yeah.
Make sure your feet are firmly planted in the floor.
You're gonna reach down, grab your weight. You're gonna pull straight up. One big explosive movement. Up. It's not a squat or a clean and a press. No. It's one big pull all the way up. But you're gonna go straight up. Think about making your shoulder touch your ear. Straight up with your elbow. Get your shoulder all the way up, active shoulder, and straight.
I'm using 10s for this. And then I'm also going to be using the same 10s for the man makers that we're getting ready to do. So get ready to grab your weight.
Oh.
Set them down in place.
Some goober's got 30s for his man makers. What's he thinking?
I don't know, but are we starting at the top and heading down?
I'm just seeing where I'm at.
All right.
Yeah, that's good.
2, 1. Break is over,
So
guys.
bend down, grab your weight, feet go back, push up, pull with the left, push up, pull with the right, jump back in, and up. Back down.
If you can't do your push-up on your toes, go to your knees for your push-up, and then go back to your toes for your lift.
Come on. Left, push up, right, jump in, up, back down, push up, left, push up, right, jump in, up.
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
Snatches on the right. You're gonna need one of those dumbbells.
Sorry about my mouth breathing.
You got 5 seconds of rest left. Get your feet firmly planted, toes pointed out, so you can go down for that squat
Here we go.
and snatch.
Remember, straight up. One move. The pull is so explosive from the bottom, it gets you all the way up. Straight. Touch your elbow to your shoulder to your ear when you get up.
Or if you're small like me and you have small shoulders, it's your bicep. Guess what? We are almost done with round 1, which means we're halfway done. One more.
Oh, guys, I'm hurting. I'm having a hard time breathing.
Well, where are you gonna breathe? You always got weight. You got weight pushing down on you, so you gotta find somewhere to breathe. In through your nose, out through your mouth,
Repel
and down we
squats.
go.
Big jumps, big squats. That's what's gonna make them work. Deep squats. Get down low. Oh, my quads are on fire.
Yeah. Take some deep breaths. Keep your stomach in tight.
10 seconds, don't quit. I'm not quitting.
In and out.
Don't you quit.
Woo! My mat started to go on me.
Oh, sugar mat. Ugh. One more. Oh,
That's it for repel squats.
thank goodness. Oh, the burn is so real.
Grab your weight for kettlebell swings.
Dang, move my mat. Kettlebell, if you got one, or just a weight.
Feet firmly planted. Let that kettlebell go up and under you, hitting you in the backside. And then swing out. Use your hips. Keep your lower back in. Keep your stomach tight to support your lower back. And go up. Try to get in as many reps as possible. We got 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and you got a break.
Wow.
On your break, grab your weight for your left snatch.
I can't talk because it hurts.
All right. Time for snatches.
Straight up with the left. Powerful from the bottom. Powerful. Pull. One big pull.
If you find these easy, increase your weight. If you don't feel like you're building muscle, increase your weight. You got 10 seconds left. Go down and up with the weight. Down and squat, straight up. That's it. Get ready for man makers.
They'll make a man of you.
This is the hard part, guys. We are in the last 2 exercises of this workout. You got man makers, snatches on the right, and you are done. You've done a great HIIT cardio. Stand up and get ready to get down.
HIIT cardio to build muscle, is that possible?
Yep.
Heck yeah.
Down, push up. Weight up, push up, weight up. Jump, and back down. Push up, push up. Right arm up. Push up and jump. Back down. Push up. Left arm up. Push up. Right arm up. Push up. And jump. You got about 12 seconds left.
You threw a third push-up in there.
Want to do that?
Yep.
I
Push
don't
up.
think there was.
Left. Push up. Right. Feet in. Jump.
I thought it was another push up.
Oh,
That explains why I'm always behind.
snatches.
On the right, and then you all are done. This is it. Your last exercise. Feet spread apart wide. Toes pointed outward slightly. Feet firmly planted in the floor so we don't fall over like I almost did. Grab your weight and explode up. Get your butt down.
Should have been right.
Yep. Butt down, weight up. Whoop. And push. Explode up. Push off your heels to get that explosion. You only have 20 seconds left in your workout. And then I recommend doing an abs routine after this. We have one in this series. It comes highly recommended. Hit that one next.
5 seconds.
And you've got a great workout.
One more, come on, one more.
I'm gonna do one more. Woo! That is all, folks. I can't say like Porky Pig. He can mock him a little bit better than I can. I'm not gonna embarrass myself that way. Make sure to hit the like button after you subscribe to the channel. Check out the other videos in this list. This is a great workout to start your day. You're going to continue to burn fat all day long. Go hit a protein shake right after this. Get some protein in your system to help rebuild that muscle that you just ripped
Take
in
some
this
Bayer.
amazing workout.
Take some Bayer for your heart attack. Okay, get you one of those things you can type and it'll say it for you. Because you can't talk.
Unless you're me, because you're excited that the workout is over and you made it through. You did it.
Y'all see the sweat? 10 minutes.
I'm starting to sweat. I also chose a much lighter weight than 30 pounds.
Okay. Hope you liked the video. Hope you subscribe to the channel. That was amazing.
Yep.
You're going to have to walk over there and get that camera.
We gotta go.